Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view a document in print view in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. And then we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner, and here in the top right corner we find three dots. If we tap on this, then at the top we find print layout. If we turn this on, then the document is going to be shown in the way that it is going to be printed if we print it. And if you want to turn this off, you just go back to the three dots and tap on the print layout again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.